what am I buying today? I'm feeling bullish today, like the markets are going to bounce this weekend or something. And I'm looking at all the charts, and which one do I think has the most upside? Well, I'm going back to ASM. It just did this. It could happen again. We took profits, or I did anyways. I gave everybody the profit levels, but I took profits here and here. Now I have that profit. Now I can throw it back in down here, and then rinse and repeat. And then best case scenario, it hits these two higher targets. That would be the best case scenario. But even if it just gets back to here, that's about a 3.5x. Just back to the first target is about a 2.5x. And so I think this one is probably the one that has the most upside out of ASM, KRL, AVT, the ones I called out last weekend. And, some of these hit our targets, not all the targets, but enough targets to where now we have profit sitting there. We could throw it back in and maybe make another 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8x. And the good thing about these Coinbase coins is when they start bouncing, kind of like what happened the first time, it starts bouncing. What happens is it sends out an alert worldwide to everybody's phone on Coinbase. Hey, this one is up 5%. Check it out. Once this gains momentum, you got 8 billion people in the world that see it, start doing this, and then it just gains momentum, and then you get that crazy candle like that. So, anyways, we'll see what happens. Hopefully, it's a bullish weekend. But, could I be wrong? I mean, it's always a possibility. But that's why we have support levels down here. And, I would say lose 10%, not 90%, etc. That's the rule. But I got a good feeling, so we'll see how it goes. I'm out of here, bye.